Hi, my name is Chris Botha from iTech Technology Solutions. I'm the owner, and we're here to see the MAXHUB with the auto tracking cameras. The touchscreen on this product here is amazing. It was really exciting to see the products here today, especially the interactive flat panels that I'm looking at the moment. I think the big advantage it would give me in the market space is the fact that it's adaptable to different technologies. For instance, you can go from Android to Apple to your laptop. It's a really easy move around. We're very big in the market space for education, and I can see the way that people can collaborate on it would really be a market-leading solution for us in the classroom, where the devices range from Android to Apple devices, which is a problem for us because you would try to get a specific device in a class to make it easier, and this would make it easier for us to sell our equipment. So yeah, extremely advanced for the pricing, and we'd definitely be coming to support you guys. Thank you.